will report for us.
Wisconsin's Army National Guard is already responding to the state's wildfire emergency. These pictures show two of the Guard's Black Hawk helicopters supporting firefighters' efforts near Necedah in Juneau County. Governor Tony Evers says he is constantly being briefed on wildfires throughout Wisconsin. CBS 58's AJ Bayapor talked to both the governor and a local fire chief who is calling on the public to not take any chances in these conditions.
While the biggest wildfire in our state is currently burning in west central Wisconsin, covering ground that includes the Fort McCoy Army Base, fire departments here in southeast Wisconsin are already taking precautions. Here in the village of Richfield, that includes a burn ban for the second consecutive day. Fire officials say they have issued that ban in tandem with the red flag warning that is covering the entire southern two-thirds of Wisconsin. Under that burn ban, it means any previously granted burning permits have been canceled. Any recreational fires, even something like a small bonfire in your backyard, that is off limits. Fire officials are asking people to be extremely careful with anything flammable.
You should be extremely cautious with doing anything that can cause embers or sparks. So something as easy as lighting a grill using a chimney, and when you dump those charcoals out, those embers can go flying off. If they land in some very dry ground, that could light off those fuels as well.
Governor Tony Evers is in Milwaukee today touring the Jones Island water treatment plant. He says his office is monitoring these wildfires closely, especially the one in Jackson County.
It's that time of year when people have to be safe. I receive updates, I would say, almost hourly or every half hour.
He says there are currently no plans to call for federal assistance, although that could change depending on what happens with the situation on the ground with that fire or any others that may spark. Reporting in the village of Richfield, AJ Bayapor, CBS 58 News.